If you're in Australia on a temporary visa and you're in a relationship with an Australian citizen or permanent resident, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll explain how this process works, what you need to know before you proceed, and what to watch out for along the way. The Subclass 820 is an onshore temporary partner visa. It's for people who are already in Australia and in a genuine relationship with an Australian citizen or permanent resident. You apply for the 820 and 801 together. The 820 is the temporary stage and the 801 is the permanent stage. To apply, you'll need to demonstrate a genuine and ongoing relationship. The department assesses this across 4 areas: your financial arrangements, your living situation, the social aspects of your relationship, and your commitments to each other. Evidence includes things like joint bank accounts, a shared lease or mortgage, statutory declarations from people who know you as a couple, and photos and communications that show the history and development of your relationship. Once your application is lodged, you may be granted a bridging visa with full work rights while you wait. Processing for the 820 currently takes around 12 to 24 months. But many applications could be approved much faster. After 2 years from your original lodgement date, you become eligible for the permanent 801 assessment. If your application contains gaps or inconsistencies, it can lead to requests for further information that set your processing back months. Weak or inconsistent evidence can raise doubts about the genuineness of your relationship, and once those doubts are raised, they are difficult to overcome. If you're applying after your previous visa has expired, Schedule 3 criteria may apply, and if they are not properly addressed before lodgement, your application can be refused regardless of the strength of your relationship. There can also be complications with your bridging visa conditions if the application isn't managed correctly from the start. The most common issues we see with partner visa applications fall into 2 categories: problems with the evidence and problems with timing. With evidence, the mistake isn't usually a lack of documents, it's the wrong kind of documents. Generic couple photos and vague statutory declarations don't meet the legal criteria. The department assesses relationship evidence against 4 specific pillars, and if your evidence doesn't clearly address each one, that's where refusals happen. With timing, Schedule 3 is often the decisive issue. If you have been unlawful in Australia, even briefly, additional criteria apply and compelling reasons may need to be demonstrated. If this is not addressed clearly before the visa is decided, the risk of refusal increases significantly. If you're planning to apply for a partner visa, or if you've already started thinking about it, getting the right advice early can save you months of processing time and prevent issues that are difficult to fix later. The last thing you want is a request for further information on evidence you could have prepared properly from the start, or worse, a refusal on grounds that were avoidable. Before you engage any migration lawyer, there are a few things you should watch out for. Some firms will pressure you to sign on the spot. They'll offer discounts, create urgency where there is none, or find other reasons why you should commit before you've had time to think. These are sales tactics. Any firm that needs to rush you into a decision is more interested in your fee than your visa application. At My Migration Lawyers, we do the opposite. We give you a 2-day cooling-off period and send you a complete information pack of 7 documents before you make any decision, covering fees, refund and complaints policy, service commitments, and your rights as a client. You read everything at your own pace before you commit a single dollar. Once you engage us, you get regular updates at every stage. At MML, your rights come first. Book a consultation with one of our migration lawyers. We'll assess your situation, give you realistic advice, and tell you exactly where you stand. Let us show you the MML difference.